Hi and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. First of all, let's begin by briefly explaining what's happening across markets, in particular crypto markets at the moment, and why this big decline, why this big correction in Bitcoin. First of all, job data came stronger than expected, which triggered across the board expectations that rates may be going up soon, and this caused many investors to move money from riskier assets such as tech stocks and cryptocurrencies into more traditional, more lower risk assets such as corporate and government bond. And this happened despite reassurances from the central bank's chairman Jerome Powell that they would keep rates near zero until 2023. So altogether, it seems that it's a bit of an overreaction from investors and from the markets, and actually it can be an excellent buying opportunity for those who are willing to tolerate the higher volatility of riskier assets. So let's take a look at the chart of Bitcoin versus Tether. We're looking at the 1 hour chart here. What we're observing is a bit of a range of indecisiveness between 45,500 and 47,500. However, if we break over 47,500, we could be resuming the rally with targeting 48,900, and then if that level is broken, we can rally about 50,000 with a target at 51,500. However, at the minute, we can see that the setup in the MACD indicator as well as the relative strength index is more bearish, with relative strength index under 50 and both the blue and the red signaling and the red line under zero. So under 45,500, it's likely that we're going to see more downside with targets at 44,000, and then if we break under 44,000, we need to zoom out a little bit so that you can see where the next support area is, and that is around 41,000. We can see that on the 4 hour chart the setup is more bearish at the moment as well, so the downside prevails for Bitcoin versus Tether. Another interesting development is that Cardano is making good progress in their collaboration with the Coty, which is a powerful technology company, and it's about releasing an upgrade of AdaPay, which is going to be ready by the end of March, which is likely to drive Cardano prices higher. So, in connection with that, let's take a look at the opportunity that Cardano can present. So the way that I'm reading the 4 hour chart, we have bullish sentiment with both of the MACD lines above the zero reading and the blue line above the red signaling line, as it should be for a bullish setup, and the relative strength index above 50 as well, giving us more confirmation. So over 1.1, I'm looking for opportunity to initiate long positions with target at 1.2. However, if we break below the support area around the 0.018, we could be declining all the way down to 0.89. That's for Cardano. Now let's wrap up our discussion with a quick look at Ethereum versus Tether and one other cryptocurrency, which I'm going to share with you. On the 4 hour chart, we see an area of indecisiveness between 1510 and 1430. So ideally, I would be waiting for clearance above 1,510 before initiating long positions with target at 1650. Conversely, if we break below 1430, which used to be my target on the downside, we could be declining to as low as 1230. We can see that we had a bearish crossover in the MACD indicator and relative strength index under 40, actually 36 at the moment. So again, the downside prevails in Ethereum as well. And the final idea for today is for Monero versus Tether. And what we have here is a bullish crossover on the 1 hour chart, where the blue MACD line crossed over the red signaling line, and in addition to that we have relative strength index reading over 50. When we had a combination of these two factors, bullish crossover of the MACD and relative strength index going over 50, this gives us more confidence in the uptrend. So over 204, buying with the target at 222, and then if that level is cleared at 240, and a stop loss at 188.5. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section, the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And remember to join our Crypto Signals Made Easy group for lots of analysis, articles, market insights so that you can trade more profitably. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and have a good weekend. Bye-bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. And if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.